Bam. Hello, hello. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. I'm always there. Yeah. Hmm. With that, one I will call that King's Bride. I've been they call her. Now because of King's Bride, that make me make up today. I want to talk to that boy. That boy, you don't fear. You just come out, cause they call social media presenters. Us. You call they call us the way you like. Where they where they build your house, put King's Bride. Since when you dey do live video King's Bride, we don't come out, come ever curse you. With the live video presenters, we don't ever curse you. Since when you dey do over sabi King's Bride, since when you dey talk wetin dem no call you put, since when you go talk this one, talk the video, talk the other one, we don't ever talk to you. See, if I be your wife King's Bride, I go give you divorce letter because that kind man go dey shame for you. You no go even get time for me, get time for family, anything for social. Now you be the really Facebook King's Bride. Now you be social media. You don't have time for your wife, you don't have time for your kids. Everything wey dey happen with all these our stars King's Bride, all of them dey for it dey head. You know everything. How you take dey do am if you no dey inside social media? If you too, you know the craze King's Bride. You just come out, come dey cause, come dey. So how you take know Epa Edimofi, social media president? How you take know am? Not because say them dey carry information come dey give am, you go suffer hide for there, they watch am. Not be there, you know am. Because say you don't see us now with the live video presenters, we don't popular. Then they hear about us Bini. We know they do people bad. We they come out, come they entertain people. We they carry information. Guys, I don't know whether I don't write comment too. I swear, I know they see comment. Whether I don't greet me, I never greet me. I know they see comments. I don't know. Now, when you see say we don't popular, you want to come out now say you be Bini. King's Bride will not want you for Bini. Go. We don't sell you. We don't want you. Not come join. Now you want to you start to join us. Say, me too, I be Bini, I be Edo. You not be Edo. We don't know you as Edo. King's Bride, go. We don't know you. You can't be jealous now. See the way when King's Bride, when they do live video, how many people they watch you? How many people? 1, 2, 3. Like all you where people that your video they go viral. You they do live video, you get like you get 50 viewer. Is that not a disgrace? Social media president when when they honor like this, 700, 1K they follow and they stand, bam, they watch. King's Bride, what of your own? 0/100. Now you want to join us? You have to pay a lot. First, we have to zangwangwa you first. Your secret have to come out. We have to know everything about you before you fit join us. Before they join this association of social media presenters, we must disgwagwa you. We must know your secret. We must tell your secret to the world before you are welcome. King's Bride. Now you're not welcome. Okay, if you ready, ready, say you want to enter, ready to be disgraced first before you can join us. See, you want to use that till the draw come they meet us. We too much. Till they talk, we too much. Yeah, we know they do people bad. People will destroy Nigeria. Na Igbo people. Na destroy Nigeria. Na Igbo people, na destroy Nigeria. You dey hear me? Igbo. Ask me how Igbo take destroy Nigeria. When Igbo never bring all this their movie come, ritual, kidnapping, action movie, Nigeria not spoil. Nigeria not spoil. If I talk this one, I don't say America they do action movie. America they show those one way past Nigeria. America have law. America have security. America they take care of their children. They secure them. They know what thing they go fit do for outside. They know what they know all these things. But Nigeria, we don't have anything like this. No security, no home training of a child, nothing. So now Igbo people, now them spoil Nigeria. Bini, we are entertainers. We come out to entertain. You understand? Yes, we come out, Bini people, we come out to entertain. We bring out big information where you go here, you go say, Jesus, they don't come again, no social media people. Hey, now Leona there for Facebook. Hey, this thing too, this is where you carry come. So Jesus, everywhere go scatter, they go, they share and they go. Now we they do, we not be Igbo. When they just Saturday art movie with ritualists, armed robbers, so they go Nigeria now. Now what did they do for Nollywood movie? Now they happen for real life for Nigeria. So not ever come talk to Benin anyhow again. Kingsbright, you know be Edo State. We don't want you again. You don't hide well. You don't even know better thing. Edo State is the best country in Nigeria. If you don't know that one, me they tell you na. Something where you don't spoil, we go see repair am. Look all Edo State children, Edo children. Now we all of us now we better pass for that Nigeria. Go see Hausa, see Igbo, see Yoruba, see Azebi. I not come here come criticize any tribe. God forbid, God they watch. I just they talk. Now Kingsbright, now I call this problem. And the one where you went to so Kingsbright, your secrets go come out. We go show you Pepe area. We go show you Pepe. Better. May you bet me. My name is Mary Edos. I live for Belgium. I be married to man. Not look me like no say a guy. Not reason me. Oh, no, you reason me. Say I'll be this. Yeah, say. You see, I get everything. No, you say I don't frustrate. Everything just back from everything just complete from my side. I they come out sometimes when they entertain my people. Sometimes even they carry my secrets. Self, I can't tell them. Say, so I make them use and tell them. What you can't do now? What do we do? If we know this social media, many people then go sick. We are entertaining. We go carry come out do your children like this. We go carry come out do your husband like this. We they try. Not just apropos you where you go put on for your word, you go they laugh. You go they laugh apropos your own. The day where hand go meet you. She be na social media you dey apropos. Na social media hand go see meet you apropos. Apropos you go carry the Kingsbright put for there. People you they call social media presenters. You they call us anyhow. Apropos you your days are not bad. Wait now. Oh, Becca. Wait, you go see your head. Me laugh with me I laugh with I know they understand. I trust Kingsbright. Him not the reply una. See I make Kingsbright you say Kingsbright not the reply us If we with social media we enter inside house, you go fit survive. Where you go get information again, they use your head. Wetin Kingsbright they talk. No be tatafo. Not be waiting they see for social media. They do live video. Our own with the carry raw come out. Something where you not go feel here for your life before we go carry and come out here go. Who do I guy here? Kingsbright better reach me for Western world. What it what it content better reach me? Now talk truth. Ma way they do that afford they follow social media. They go ma way fit take care of your family. Say as he might come be. He might come bend go one side with the tatafo. Now that one I come better pass Mary Edos now. I be now what you want talk? What do you want talk? Say you when they watch now you better pass me. I be oh God. What is your background? As the who you be? What is your background? 0/100. Instead of Funato, they say we thank you, we do well for our life. Now come out. When I enter us. Enter us, go where if we enter us wa depression wa gbelu wa hospital. Many things where we don't help una do. Una children now whether they carry anyhow government now we still help una for that one. They come out, they talk. All of now come use and take over our children. They lie. See them. See them. But King Bright is an Edo guy, my sister. I know now. Now Edo guy, now because of her makeup like this. Now Edo, because the King Bright, she say with the shine, with the rain, everywhere. Edo, beneath people social media. King Bright now want to enter. You want to also withdraw, enter. King Bright, before you go enter, you have to be disgraced. That is the social media association. You must be disgraced first before you go enter. Now there would they go. So we go welcome you, but all your shit, all of you have to enter Facebook first before you're welcome. Yeah, we go accept you. No worry. Edo State is the best. Edo State is the best country in Nigeria. What are you talking? Now him now. Me, I'm proud of Edo. Anywhere I go, before you go say, where are you from? I say, Bini. Do I woo? Mama, we are entertaining. See comedians now, Bini guys now plenty pass. Bini guys now plenty pass for comedy. What are you talking? Eh? What did they talk? They talk say everywhere Bini. What if now not be now not the Facebook now? You know they talk Nollywood where they spoil Nigeria, Igbo people, because of money. They corrupt Nigeria. American film, when they ask for American film, it was past a Nigerian movie. Now they not be say it was, not be say it was. You get the way that they add their own kissing, the naked. Yeah, Nigeria don't come do ritual. Igbo man go do ritual thing. Mama, papa, children go sit down for part of the lookout. Pikin go dey look am. One day pikin go carry it do na dey happen. So one of dey see say pikin dey carry papa and mama to dey do ritual. Na Nigeria movie. Igbo people na dey cause am. Why tell matter? See, man, no dey cause us again. Mama jogging maju wagbe. Rather, we are helping you people. We are helping you people. Tomorrow, if I just hear some kind news, I just if you don't come out on social media, so if you come and ask them, when I go see that they do something. Not being with they do. Where are these insults? No, don't insult them. Do not insult social media presenters. If I hear, I'll come and attack you. Wait till you take past me. Wait, I take they pass me. You can't tell me. Yeah. You are not from Benin. You. I be Benin. Oviedo you. What am I? Yeah. Oviedo pataki. Oviedo na ya you. Emewa. That not go there. I know they play with my tribe. Eh? You are right on that too. I know they lie. Igbo people go bring romance movie. Come. Eh? Mama, papa, pikin go sit down for part of the watch and twa. Ew. If I tell you now, say my children never ever watch Nigeria movie. My first daughter now is 10 years. You will say it's a lie. You go say na lie. I know the lie. My children never watch Nigeria movie. I watch Nigeria movie with my husband alone when they are sleeping. They watch their cartoon and their Oibo film, children film. Now that they watch, I swear to God. They follow your pikin, they watch Nigeria movie. That pikin go spoil. You go watch ritual, you go watch romance, you go watch Bishan. If now Igbo, my children said no, they watch that movie. Lie, they know they watch out. I know waiting that they watch for TV. Bam. When my children will be 18 years. I go give the license. Oh yeah, watch whatever you want to watch. You are adult now. You know what is good for you. But as in small, so equal. My pikin not they watch movie with me. God forbid. So how we can't be bad people now? How we not contact good now? Can't tell me now. This one where I see talk small now. Say my children not they watch Nigerian movie. People don't see here. Na. Don't sit down and say, hi, na true media, those talk. Don't sit take. That is what we are doing on social media, King's Bright. So, don't be jealous of us. Okay, you never even reach. Not let us. See, if I call area, you go finish. Your information go make boy. You they cry. Yes, you guys are disgracing Edo State. We are disgracing the Edo State, you said. But all the information that we have been given, why didn't you take nail and nail your ear not to hear? You see where you are a coward, golden angel? Do you see where you are a coward? Eh? Tell me, when Monica Deadline, now you go fair reach there, go Zuo for there. Or Zuo, away. You were grow up, you was grown up with a Nigeria movie with your parents. Your he-goat and she-goat parents. Am I lying? Eh? See what they talk. You want to come and talk to me. Your parents are the ones that were disgraced, that are disgraced to you. For them to allow you to watch Nigeria movie. They are disgraced to you, your parents, golden angel. If you don't know. And now, you are disgraced to your children for allowing your children to watch Nigeria movie with you. You are a disgrace again to your parents. What are you talking? We're not disgracing. We are here to teach you guys. And you guys will learn by fire, by force. Do you hear? I don't waka.